Hurricane season begins June 1st and runs all the way through November 30th. And heaven forbid if a storm comes our way, the city of Tallahassee is prepared. We are a resilient city. But to be prepared, everyone needs to be prepared. These are 3 steps that you can take to start.
Make and practice your plan with your family and your business.
Build a kit with enough supplies so that you and your family can safely shelter in place for at least 3 days.
Learn how to stay informed about city services and area impacts.
We're prepared and we urge you to be as well. Visit us at talgov.com for more information.